Hello everyone, welcome back to Gossipfunda, and today we are going to fix an NBA 2K error. So the NBA game is showing an error which is error code 4b538e50. So we're gonna fix this, and if you're also having the same, then watch this video till end. The root cause for this error is your network issue. So first of all, check your internet connection and make sure to provide a strong and stable connection. Also make sure to update your device as well as your game. Now sometimes this error occurs because of servers of game. So check the server status of game, and for that simply search NBA 2K server status on Google. Click on the official website link, and here you will see the server status of your device accordingly. By doing this, you will get to know whether the following error occurs because of your network's issue or its game's fault. This error occurs because of server, then you have to simply wait, or you can contact the customer support of NBA game. So these were some ways to fix your issue. I hope this video will be useful to you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.